Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what I built using Prisma ORM. Now Prisma ORM is a relational database mapper. So it acts as a, should I say, middleman between your database and your querying, and it also gives you nice and effective querying method without writing pure SQL commands. So in a minute, I'm going to be showing you guys how this application works and also the code that I use in accomplishing this goal. So as you can see, it's the employers directory. So I created a directory to help me really build with Prisma. So as you can see, we have the list of employers, also have department, also have the tasks that are available in a company now, also who those tasks are assigned to. So for quick display, there's also a form to get the information of employees. So let me say age is 45 and salary is 40, and department, let's choose information technology. In a minute, you can see that Ezekiel and his department has been displayed. Then we can say add department. We can say repair or maintenance. Okay, we have maintenance. We can add it. As you can see, it's now 7. We have maintenance department. We can also add a task to it. Let's add it as docs, Word docs. Write a Word document for the upcoming meeting. So when it's added, you see on the task list that Word document has been added. So you can also click on each employee and get more information about the employee. So this is the employee. You can update the employee. Let's say I don't need this last name and I want to change the age to 20 and change the department to human resources. You can see, okay, it has been changed, removed, the Ezekiel has been removed, the Jeremiah has been removed, and the rest of them. And I can also remove an employee. If I click remove employee, you see that Ezekiel will be removed, and then from the list here, Ezekiel has been removed. Then we can also assign a task. So if we want to assign the task, we come here, which task that will be assigned. Ezekiel, who I will assign it to from the list of tasks. You can see what docs has been assigned to Agbera. So that's for the CRUD operation. So for the code, so what actually happens is that when I instantiate my Prisma, I install the Prisma. We can just go to the docs, Prisma docs ORM, and then the introduction or get started. So you will see everything. And Prisma is a next generation Node.js and TypeScript that unlocks a new level of developer experience when working with database thanks to its intuitive data model, automatic migration, type safety, and auto completion. So you can learn more about this in the ORM. So let's go to the code itself. So first of all, when I install Prisma in instantiate it, there's I created a model, which an employer model, ID, name, email, phone, and the rest, and task also created for task assignment, also created for department. So the relations is that we'll have an employee, and an employee can belong to a particular department, and we also have a task that task and institution can have a list of assignments. Now, task assignment means that it's going to every employer is going to every task assignment is going to have a task and an employer that's associated with that particular task. So created actions to make sure that when add employer is clicked, the form takes in the name, email, phone, age, salary, and then what Prisma does is just Prisma dot the model employee. What do you want to do? We take the data from all of them and send it to the database. Also, we also have to update it. Takes it. What do you want to update? We call the model employer dot update, and then the sections that can be updated. Also have add department, which simply takes the name of the department. Then update department can take either the name, the ID, and the issue ID of that department. So that's it for the functions that was written to accomplish this goal. Feel free to ask me anything, any question in the comment section.